Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys enjoy this video, please go down, hit the like button, the subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and let's get this video started. So, what we're gonna be talking about today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the knot that I personally tie when I'm going fluorocarbon to any sort of a hook or lure that requires a fluorocarbon line, like dragging jigs on the bottom, crankbait, spinnerbait, any baits that are basically not topwater baits. I'm going to be throwing fluorocarbon. Reason why: fluorocarbon line is virtually invisible to fish. So with the Palomar knot, this knot basically has zero friction. You won't really get any sort of friction break. Doing a knot like the improved clinch knot on fluorocarbon, you can tend to get a friction break. It won't happen every single time, but you won't get a very good bind either when you tighten that knot down. There is ways to do it, but it takes a lot of practice. So the Palomar knot, it's a very easy knot to tie, and it's very strong. So I'm gonna zoom the camera in a little bit here. I'm gonna focus it on my hands, and I'm gonna show you guys how to tie this knot. So I'm gonna zoom this camera in now. All right, so how we're gonna tie this knot: I got a nice big EWG hook that I hope y'all can see right here, and I got my fluorocarbon line. How we're gonna start this knot: we're gonna go through the hook as so. We're gonna pull probably, I would say 12 inches of lead out. Then on the tag end, we're gonna come back through the eye of the hook, and we're gonna double up on the line. So now you're gonna have your tag end and the main line on one side and a big loop on the other side. How we're gonna start this knot: you're gonna take the loop and the tag end, pinch it together as so, just like that. And you're gonna take the loop and you're gonna do a little overhand knot. Come right through this bottom loop right here with the loop end of the line as so. You're gonna pull that down just to where it's just kind of snug, not tight. Take the loop end of your line. You're gonna run your hook or your lure through that loop up to where it reaches the knot. You're gonna wet it, and then you're just gonna pull right on through. You're gonna pull on the main line. You're gonna pull on the tag end. I like to use my teeth. All right. Then all you gotta do, take that tag end of your line, snip it off, and now you got yourselves a nice, beautiful Palomar knot. All right, everybody, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll have a lot more of these little tip style videos coming out in between my fishing adventures, so we can get some more videos out to you guys and try to grow this channel a little bit. Anyways, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have a lot more of these little tip videos slash possibly some gear reviews in between fishing adventures, just to be able to get some content out to you guys and hopefully grow this channel a little bit. That's my goal for this year: grow this channel. So stay safe out there, and let's go have an amazing 2023 bass fishing season.